Here we are, part one over in Warrington today. Installing Starlinks. This customer's been waiting 2 months for BT to come and dig up a drive and run fibre line into her house. Got fed up, so opted for Starlink. We showed up, installed a 9x9 galvanised bracket, bolted to the wall, a 2-foot mast, get over the roof line, absolutely nothing in its way, wired down, through into this little shed part and then through into her hallway. We've also fitted a mesh system on this one, which consists of 3 Deco units, 1 next to the router and then 2 wirelessly dotted around her house. Customer's happy, she's receiving 200 megabytes plus, and it only took us the space of an hour. It's Aaron and Phil, Space Internet Solutions.